Well, hi there guys, Mark here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Vitilan V3 2.0 folding electric bike. Stay tuned. Okay, so we'll just start with running through all the specifications on this lovely e-bike. Just checked the price on this morning. These are currently £899. I'll put the link in the description for you. Came very well boxed as always. Comes with all the tools, the charger, absolutely everything you need to put this bike together. Put the front wheel in, bolt the handlebars on, nut and bolt check, pump the tyres to 20 psi, and you're good to go. These bikes do generally come with decent sized batteries. This one's no exception. The battery's in the frame there, I'll show you that in a minute, and the folding mechanism. It's got a 48 volt 13 amp hour battery, and from experience you can generally get about 30 miles out of these bikes. You know, that's even with using the power, maybe more if you're a bit more conservative with the power. Comes with a 750 watt rear hub motor, 80 newton meters. It does come out of the box limited to the 15.5 miles an hour though, but that can be de-restricted in the menu settings. Also comes with a half twist throttle. Again, that's limited and locked to the 4 miles an hour, but that can be unlocked as well. These take about 5 to 6 hours to charge from flat. So it's quite a physically big bike. These fit a wide range of riders, from about 5'4" with a seat right down to well over 6 foot. So just take a look at me on the bike. As a reference, I'm 5'7", 170 centimeters with a 30-inch inside leg. Then you can compare that for yourself. Right, so these bikes are quite physically big, quite heavy. They weigh in at about 30 kilos. So I like to have the seat set quite high for me. I'm 5'7" with a 30-inch inside leg. Loads of room here, nice bars, comfortable seat. The bike feels very solid, very well built. So if you were well over 6 foot, this would still be absolutely fine. Put the seat right down if you're sort of like 5'4", absolutely fine. But for me at 5'7", fits me really nicely. These bars are also adjustable up and down. So what I love about these style of bikes, they come with these great big fat tyres, 20 by 4-inch fat tyres, which give a really compliant, smooth ride. So even though this doesn't have rear suspension, it's still got a comfortable seat, front suspension, so you get a really nice ride quality. So really comprehensive cockpit here. To turn the bike on, just hold the power button there for a second or two. So you've got your battery, speed, power assist levels, trip, odometer, max and average. You've got indicators, which is a nice little touch. Brake lights, lights front and rear, which is really nice. Horn. The usual Shimano 7-speed index gears that work really well straight out of the box. Front suspension, you can lock it out and adjust the preload as well. So to fold these up, just push the little button there, open the mechanism, and that breaks the bike in two like that. Fold the bars down as well. Same sort of process, they fold down and the bike folds like that. Once the bike is open like this, you can just simply pull the handle there and the battery will slide straight out. You can either charge it on the bike or take it indoors to charge it. Comes with Logan hydraulic disc brakes that work very well, very powerful brakes there. Side stand, rear rack to fit your bag too. But looking around the bike, it's really nice build quality, all the welds look really nice, and it's a dream to ride. I really enjoy riding these style of bikes. Comes in this grey, also black, orange and a white. So there you go guys, let's take this out for a test ride, shall we? Okay, Vitilan V3, let's try this out. Must admit, I absolutely love these style of fat tyre e-bikes. They're so much fun to ride. So to switch it on, hold the power button there for a second. Really nice colour LCD display there showing you your battery, your speed, power assist levels. You can in the menu settings set this for 3 power assist levels, 5, 7, 9. I've currently got this set on 9 different power levels just to see what that's like. So we're going to start off in power assist level 1. Put it up to 4th gear, so a little bit of assist, not much assist really there. Into assist level 3, that's more like it. Really nice bit of power there. You're still going to get a good 30-mile range out of this now, just cruising along gently at 12, 13 miles an hour. Ever so comfortable. It may not have rear suspension, but it's a very, very compliant ride. Into assist level 5 now. Now we're shifting into 6th gear. So a little bit of a slope here now. It's making light work of it. Let's ramp it up to assist level 9. And this thing really moves up to about a top speed of about 28 miles an hour. So loads of power there. But we'll just go back to assist level 3, which is more than enough. A nice gentle sort of cruise. And actually back to 4th's nice. So just cruising along now, 6th gear. So I'll just try these hydraulic brakes out, front and rear. Oh yeah, they've got a very good bit of bite, they're nice. So we've got a horn, lights front and rear. Nice front suspension. This is a really nice bike to ride. Just gentle cruising now, look, 15 miles an hour. Very quiet out the back. You can just hear a very faint hum from the electric motor. But these big fat tyre e-bikes like this, they're a real joy to ride. These are big tyres, give a massive amount of grip. It's quite gravelly down here, but they perform really well. All the gears work a treat. Straight out the box, no adjustment required. Yeah, oh yeah, those brakes are getting really good now, bedding in nicely. So up to assist level 9 again. You can feel that power coming, really addictive. Okay, let's try the Vitilan up the usual test hill. Currently got it in assist level 3. I've got this set for 9 power assist levels, this bike today. So assist level 3, 3rd gear, 2 turns, and here comes the lovely power. So this is quite a steep hill. This is about a 1 in 5, 20%, and it's about a mile long. So going up here, 11 mile an hour, just giving it about 20-30% power for my legs. It's going up really nicely. Into assist level 5, 5th gear, Now we're moving. So this is a steep hill now. The camera may not look it, but it's really steep now. And it's absolutely flying up here with no problem at all. Getting steep now. Pushing about 20% with my legs. So right up now to maximum assist level. Here we go. It's kind of giving it all now with the power. Absolutely flying up here. 6th gear. Giving it some with my legs as well, but as you can see, it's rocketing up this really steep hill. So an absolute powerhouse of a bike, makes short work of any hill. So great stuff. I mean, 20-inch wheels on this. It's a nice compromise actually. Get quite quick steering, but it's a very stable bike. It feels very solid. There's no shakes or rattles or anything whatsoever. So that's superb. But no, sort of a mid-assist level is nice on this. It gives you a nice bit of help. Plus you're going to get that at least at a 30-mile range. So a little bit of a hill now. Just pop it into assist level 5. And that's whizzing up this slight incline. I'm only giving it about 20% power from my legs. Back down to assist level 3. Having to push a bit harder now. Bit of exercise. But no, it's a really nice bike to ride. Solid, decent power. And all in all, a very, very enjoyable bike to ride. So let's just wrap it up here and have a little final look, shall we? So there you have it, guys, the Vitilan V3 folding electric bike. What an absolutely brilliant bike for the money. £899 currently. I think that's a real steal. It's beautiful to ride. So we're just going to run through all of the bike. So the overall build quality, looking around the bike, all the quality of the paint, the way it rides, the welds, all top quality, nicely put together. These are 20-inch by 4-inch fat tyres. I'm a real fan of these. They give lots of grip, very comfortable ride, so that's great. Front suspension there works well. Front and rear lights together, that's great. Folding design there, so you can put it in the back of your car or in your van or whatever. These pedals fold as well. Decent range out of that big battery, that's good. All the other drivetrain and the gears all very smooth, very quiet. Strong convenient rear rack there to put your panniers on or your bag. Comfortable seat with plenty of range for short riders up to tall. Very powerful hydraulic disc brakes. That's a nice point actually to point out. At this price point sometimes you get cable operated disc brakes. These are hydraulic for the money, so that's a good point. Side stand there. Really nice sort of cockpit area here. Powerful brakes, indicators, horn. Nice power assist levels. You can customize it how you want it. 3 power assist levels, 5, 7, 9, whatever you want. It's got cruise control as well. Half twist throttle, set at 4 miles an hour, or you can unlock it. Same with the speed. It comes out the box at 15.5, or you can unlock it, up to you. So really nice gears, positive. So there you are, guys, the Vitilan V3 folding electric fat tyre e-bike. What are your thoughts on this? Please post your comments down below. Don't forget to give me a like, share and subscribe as always. And I shall catch you again in a week or two for another two-wheeled review. Ride safe, all the best, and bye for now.